Are you searching for the best personal loans in Canada but feeling overwhelmed by dozens of confusing offers? Don't worry, you're not alone. Canadians use personal loans every day to cover everything from unexpected car repairs to travel costs to consolidating debt, but figuring out which lender to trust can be a nightmare. That's why in this video we're cutting through the noise. Instead of dumping a long list of lenders on you, I'm breaking down the best personal loan options in Canada for 2025. Straightforward, no fluff, just the loans that actually make sense so you can choose wisely. And don't forget, check out the exclusive links in the description below for direct access to these loan providers and the best deals available. Let's walk through the top providers you should be considering right now. First up is Spring Financial. Based in Vancouver and founded in 2015, they're known for providing unsecured loans of up to $35,000, along with a credit-building program that sets them apart from other lenders. What makes Spring Financial unique is that even if you don't qualify for a loan right away, you can still enter their foundation program, which helps you build credit and save money. Once you finish, you're guaranteed approval for their evergreen loan. The biggest benefit here is accessibility. People who have been turned away by traditional banks due to poor credit or limited history often find a real opportunity with Spring. Their fully online process means applications are simple, quick, and money can be in your account within 1 to 2 business days. Rates start as low as 9.99% and terms can stretch up to 78 months, giving you plenty of flexibility. The downside is that rates can climb as high as 35% depending on your financial profile, and the foundation program doesn't give you upfront cash since it's designed more for building credit. But if you've struggled with banks, Spring Financial is one of the most approachable ways to get back on track. And remember, you can learn more and apply through the exclusive link in the description below. Second is iCash, a payday lender that focuses on fast, short-term borrowing. If you're dealing with an urgent bill before payday, iCash allows you to borrow up to $1,500 with approvals often, coming in just minutes thanks to their automated system. Funds are transferred via e-transfer, sometimes within hours. The biggest pro here is speed. You don't need to submit mountains of documents, and the platform is designed to get you cash quickly. This makes it ideal for people who need just a small amount to get through until their next paycheck. The downside, however, is cost. Because these are payday loans, interest rates are very high, and the repayment periods are short, which can make it tough if you're already stretched thin financially. So while iCash is convenient, it should only be used for short-term emergencies. If you need quick access to cash today, iCash can help, and you'll find the link in the description below. Next, let's look at Fora Credit, an online lender that provides personal lines of credit of up to $15,000. Unlike a traditional loan, you can draw from your available balance whenever you need and only pay interest on the amount you actually use. Rates start at 9%, which is competitive compared to similar lenders, and the flexibility makes it attractive if you often need access to cash. The best part about Fora is control. You don't need to reapply for new loans every time. Instead, your credit line is always there, and you only pay for what you use. The application is fully online, and approvals can be quick. The downside is that Fora isn't available in every province. You'll need to be in BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Ontario, New Brunswick, or Nova Scotia to qualify. Also, while the lowest rate is 9%, borrowers with weaker credit may see rates closer to 34%. For Canadians who want the flexibility of a line of credit with competitive terms, check out Fora Credit. Fourth on our list is Mogo, a fintech company that offers a line of credit up to $5,000. What makes Mogo interesting is its flexibility and borrower-friendly features. Minimum payments are interest and fees only, so you can manage repayments comfortably, and there's no penalty for paying back early. Mogo also offers a 100-day money-back guarantee. That means if you're not happy within 100 days, you can cancel and walk away, which is rare in this industry. Funding is also very fast, with money available the same day your account is approved. On the downside, Mogo's interest rate is high at around 37%, and their line of credit isn't available everywhere. It's currently limited to certain provinces including BC, Alberta, Manitoba, Ontario, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and PEI. Still, if you want a flexible alternative to payday loans with features that protect borrowers, Mogo is worth checking out. Number 5 is Fairstone, one of Canada's most recognized non-bank lenders. They provide unsecured loans up to $25,000 and secured loans up to $60,000, which is great if you're a homeowner with equity. By using collateral, you can access larger amounts and often better interest rates compared to unsecured loans. The advantages here are clear: high loan limits, flexible repayment terms up to 10 years, and the option to visit one of their hundreds of physical locations across Canada if you prefer face-to-face service. The cons are that without collateral, interest rates can reach as high as 99%, and to access the larger loan amounts, you'll need to provide security like your home. But for Canadians who want stability, in-person support, and bigger loans, Fairstone is a reliable option. To see if Fairstone is the right fit for you, check the exclusive description link below. Another option is Mart, a long-standing lender in Canada that offers payday loans up to $1,500 and installment loans up to $25,000. They've been around since 1982 and have more than 360 locations nationwide, making them one of the most established names in alternative lending. The pros here are speed and accessibility. You can apply online or in-store, get approved the same day, and walk out with cash if you choose. This is especially helpful for borrowers with bad credit. The cons are the same as most payday or high-risk lenders. Interest rates can climb above 34%, and shorter repayment terms make it easy to fall behind if you're not careful. Still, if you need a trusted name and in-person service, Mart is worth considering. Finally, we have Cash Money, another Canadian lender with over 30 years of experience. They offer payday loans up to $1,500, auto equity loans up to $10,000, and lines of credit up to $10,000. Approval and funding can happen in as little as 15 minutes through e-transfer, which is incredibly fast. The benefit here is flexibility. You can choose between different loan types depending on your needs, and they're open to borrowers with bad credit as long as you have steady income. The downside, like with similar lenders, is high interest. Payday loans cost up to $14 per $100 borrowed, and other products can have rates as high as 99%. Plus, Cash Money isn't available everywhere. It's limited to certain provinces. But if you need funds urgently and want multiple short-term options, Cash Money could be a solution. So those are the best personal loan options in Canada for 2025. Whether you need flexibility from a line of credit, quick approval from a payday lender, or larger funding from a secured loan, there's a solution here for every type of borrower. The most important thing is to choose carefully and only borrow what you can realistically repay. If you want to learn more or start your application today, check out the exclusive links in the description below. That's where you'll find direct access to each lender and the best deals available. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Canadian finance content, and let me know in the comments what type of loan you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.